Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we have Clumsy Dog Barbecue After Dark. We got a especially saucy episode for you tonight, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm not trying to do an introduction into my OnlyFans. We're gonna make some barbecue sauce. It's not that difficult and it's not that hard. Recipes on our website. We're doing a double batch of it, so all of these ingredients are, well, doubled. So it's a ketchup based sauce. So we're gonna put in our ketchup here, 2 cups of it. Normal recipe is just 1 cup. That's, you know, Arkansas high school math for you. Half of 2 is 1. Look at me go. Alright. Got the honey. Gotta have honey. It looks weird like that because it was in the same measuring cup as the ketchup when I was getting everything all staged and pretty. Brown sugar. Butter. Salt, pepper, cumin. Worcestershire. Two tablespoons. So we're doubling the recipe. 4 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Excuse me. Oop. My manners. Mustard tubes. Alright. And that right there is a sweet, tangy barbecue sauce. Put it on a mild heat. Let all the ingredients meld together. Bring it to a simmer. Then turn the heat off. Let it cool down. Every now and then come over and, whisk it up. Let everything combine together. But we're going to be doing a spicy version of this. We have to add a couple other ingredients. We're going to let this come into a sauce. I'll show you that part. And then we'll add the stuff that makes it fun. But this on its own is a really good sauce. Kids love it and they don't lie. So stay tuned for the spicy version. Okay, so we're letting our ingredients come together. And again, this is the sweet version. There's a slightest amount of little back heat from the pepper. If that's too much for you, just pull the pepper back. That's why making your own sauce is so good. You can make it how you want. You want it sweeter, add some extra honey, add some molasses, more brown sugar, stuff like that. Just go crazy. This is a good base. It's just a basic thing. But now, to make the spicy one, we're gonna add in the chili powder. And we're gonna add Cholula hot sauce. And that's it. Depending on how you do with spicy food, you might find that this is super hot, or you might find that this really isn't anything special. Add some cayenne. Again, you're making the sauce your own. Get there, experiment, try it out. This is a decent amount of spice. I do think it's on the weaker side, but again, you end up usually cooking for more than just yourself, so you gotta keep that in mind. The children really love that first version, the sweet and tangy. They don't want this spicy one. So while I like this, you end up usually just making the sweet and tangy. So this is easy as that. Again, we're gonna take it up to a simmer, turn the heat off, and then let it cool down. We can either use it right away on the grill, or we can, Wait till it comes down to room temperature. Then put it in like a mason jar or something like that. Put it in the refrigerator. You know, it'll probably keep for a while. But honestly, you're going to eat this up real quick. Maybe I will start an OnlyFans. What do you think? Probably not. Alright, we'll see you next time.